Hello, welcome to LEGOLIZED. Today we're gonna make a key holder with only 10 pieces. Enjoy the video. So what do you need is one base plate, like that, or smaller. 4 2x4 black ones. It doesn't matter what color. Then we have 3 pieces like that, but you don't have to have the holes in it. You can also drill in it, but if you cannot do it, ask help your parents or friends. And the multi-fix of Brit. This is like something like that. So start the base plate, turn around, items here. That's it. You can also put a fantasy on your base plate, like I will do now. Then you have to need 2 more pieces, but you can do it. Voila, it's a key. Then have this, turn it around, make sure, then you take this, take 4. Pieces, pull it apart, and do it like this, stick it, then of course you have the keys. Voila, it's on your key. Easy. Now we have to go where it's going to fix my key holder. See you in a bit. Now you take your piece of Lego. You can see. I'm gonna stick it on the wall next to the door. Push, 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 push. So you can see it's right on. Now you have your device with your key. Put them on. This one. It's 2. It's 3. Very easy. Never lose your keys. Coming home, you enter the door, you hang your keys, and you go inside. When you leave, just take them, go outside. That's it. That's my key. So you can see Very easy to use. That's my key holder. Awesome. Till next time, thank you for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice week, have a nice 2024 on YouTube. Goodbye.